Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription banks.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? This is our Forex free lesson 11. So without time waste, we start now. And today we learn about how to use piercing engulfing. So we start now. Look here. Resistance support area. We convert in line chart like this resistance support area, and this is a H1 chart. So look, market respect this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 time. So look here, this was the version this lecture was. In other lecture. No, so look here. We mark here trend line. Retest year and set. And trend line breakdown. Went down trend line breakdown. So market made here lower low. When market made here lower low, this hour be recent engulfing valid now. And if we look here, support and drop base drop supply zone. Look here, bearish and engulfing. We mark bearish and engulfing again. Market made inner bearish and engulfing in supply zone. This is a supply zone of bearish and engulfing. So look here. High swing and then first candle low breakdown. And market again made here bullish engulfing. In H1, so we have now to Biryani engulfing. Biryani engulfing supplies are 1 and Biryani engulfing we use here for confirmation. First low breakdown. So this is our small time from frame M5. M10 high low. Low QM zone. We take entry when market confirmed here. And low closing below. So this is piercing engulfing valid. And this piercing engulfing. And supply zone valid because market made here lower low. So our first TP is this, we take entry from here. RSL will be above of this high. So our first TP is this SNR. Look, resistance support SNR. And our second TP is this area. Pin bar with bullish engulfing. So TP here now we look other. Look here, this was our main support area. Market breakdown with drop base drop AB. CD drop base drop breakdown. So this was our support area, support. Drop base drop supply area, and this supply area with bullish engulfing. Look here when we convert line chart. So look, drop base drop supply area with a vision engulfing. We mark this. Again set up. Repeat market again set up. Repeat market again. Make lower low and we mark bearish engulfing. And this bearish engulfing made. Here support and resistance look.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? From our team, account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
Support, drop base, drop supply area, and market again make here. Bearish, engulfing, we mark this bearish, engulfing, when market closing down. Look here, bearish, engulfing, when market closing down. So we take entry from here. And RTP will be this first. Demand zone of bullish, engulfing, so look. SO market, look here, we mark this drop base drop. Irish engulfing supply zone. So many times retested and go down. Look. We mark this British engulfing. And there was our trend line breakdown. With 3 touch. ER. Send drop base. Drop supply area with bearish engulfing. Directly cannot market parts past this area. But first retest it and then go down first. Support resistance area was really base really. So we take entry from here because remember as our team teach you about bullish engulfing. How to use bullish engulfing? We use bullish engulfing plus SN, R, bullish engulfing plus SND, bullish engulfing plus Q, and bullish engulfing. Resistance becomes support plus bullish engulfing. Support become resistance plus bullish engulfing. Same as repeat here, we use S and R plus bearish engulfing. SND plus bearish engulfing. QM plus bearish engulfing drop base. Drop supply plus bearish engulfing. So we mark this drop. Base drop supply with bearish engulfing. Trend line breakdown low. Lower low. So look, we take entry. Sell from here and our first target bullish engulfing S and our demand. Now we look at the chart. This is our gold chart of H1. Look here. Market breakout first supply. We can see resistance and also supply area. Because if we convert in line chart. So this is our resistance area. But if we look in candlestick. So this is our really base drop supply area. Market breakout supply area and made here really base really. So this is our SNR area and demand zone with really base really. We mark this look here first supply breakout, so our bullish trend continue, but look here. This is a small diversion maybe in M30 and 50. So look bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing and market go down. This is our really base, really demand area, and this is our base area, so market. Both late break down these areas with bearish engulfing. So we again confirm look here. Market not retested. Bearish engulfing, because this was fresh area. Again market made here lower low. Then market made a lower low. So our bearish engulfing supply area confirmed. So look. When market reached and retested in bearish engulfing, supply area market very sharply move and go down. And hit the target first. SNDS and our area. Look this area of gold chart divergent.
Hello friends, how are you? These are all the subscriptions from our VIP, Telegram Gold, FX signals, and there are different types of discounts from our team so you can take advantage of them and join any of our subscription thanks.
If market made here bearish engulfing, so we take entry directly from here. But market not made here bearish engulfing. So this is our support area and draw base of supply zone with bearish engulfing. Look here, market made here lower low. Then bearish engulfing is supply area valid for entry. Again, market made here lower low. We mark this supply area with bullish engulfing, so market retested and go down, and our target is this area high higher, high low lower low QM by zone with bullish engulfing. This is there are no SNR. This is the only bullish engulfing QM pattern. SO market easily break down this area. Our team. Every week he 2 videos uploaded you can. Learn and our team step by step guide you. And our team step by step all methods. Strategies. Telling you. Next, our lecture about will be initial break buy. Thanks, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz, God willing.